The Gouna International Model United Nations Conference challenges the traditional understanding of MUN as differentiated by three main elements: its location, expertise, and authenticity.
The Gouna is the ideal destination for a youth conference. Its atmosphere and reputation provide an experience that cannot be found elsewhere.
EGIMUN is supported by the Orascom administration, as well as its partnership with MUN Impact, an international organization that aims to implement the UN Sustainable Development Goals into Model United Nations conferences all around the world. In its efforts to provide all participants with unique opportunities, the conference will include novel committees, speakers, and service elements, all aimed at having a widely felt impact on the community.
EGIMUN seeks to change the MUN landscape and positively impact Egyptian youth. Don't miss out on this unprecedented experience, hosted in TU Berlin Capital Week on March 10th to 13th, 2020.